Casio Edifice tried its luck with the Genta design philosophy and it almost delivered a perfect watch. Hello and welcome to another Casio watch unboxing and review. Today we are looking at the Casio Edifice EFR-S108D 2AV in this metallic blue color. This is one of the newest colors released by Casio, replacing the original black dial and white dial options. It also comes in olive green and overhyped green. Is this watch small wrist friendly? How is the standard of the finishing? Does it offer good value? Is the bracelet any good? And who is this watch for? We'll answer all these questions in this video. Let's get the boring stuff out of the way. 40mm diameter, 50mm lug to lug, but don't worry, it is still small wrist friendly, at least if your wrist is 6¼ inch or wider. The highlight for me is the 7.8mm thickness. This makes the watch look so much more classy in my opinion. Unlike the Edifice EFR-S108D we reviewed before, this watch does not feature a screw-down crown. It still offers 100 meters of water resistance thanks to the snap-on case back. The crown itself is signed with the Edifice logo, which is a small detail, yet a very welcome one. I really love the case on this Edifice EFR-S108. The aggressive and angular case shape is exactly what I look for in this style of watches. The 316L stainless steel is really well finished in this watch, with vertical brushing on the top of the watch, the bezel and the lugs. Contrast that with the high polish finishing on the sides of the bezel and crown guards and horizontal brushing on the sides of the case. And you'll get a packaging that's very interesting to look at. To add more interest, this watch has 4 screws all pointing towards the center of the dial. This design choice is polarizing, but I personally love it. The dial is amazing. The metallic blue color has a serious vibe to it, yet still plays with the light in an interesting way. It is finished in a sunburst brushing. The metallic indices feature a loomed surface with very weak performance under low light conditions. We have a slightly elevated chapter ring and an unmarked date window in white. The movement on this Edifice EFR-S108 2AV is module 5359, with an accuracy of plus or minus 20 seconds per month. The minute and hour hands follow the general design language of the dial and remain faithful to the weak loom application, with a needle seconds hand that hits all the markers accurately enough, if you don't suffer from too much OCD. We have the Casio Edifice logo above the pinion and sapphire water resists 100 meters under the pinion. I don't mind the mention of sapphire on the dial, as it serves as a balance for the busyness caused by the logo. I'm just happy we have more scratch resistance on this crystal compared to other offerings from Casio. So far, everything is looking great. The finishing on the case, the dial, the fairly accurate movement, the sapphire crystal, the Genta design. Well, let me spoil the fun, because this bracelet is bad. It starts with 22mm, goes all the way down to 17mm and back to 19 at the clasp. But that's not the problem. The problem is it does not match the watch. If you look closely, the links, which are folded by the way, not solid, have this smooth angle finishing to them. Lots of curves and very soft. This completely throws the design for me because it doesn't match the aggressive and decisive angles on the case. I believe Casio, with the price they are trying to charge for this watch, need to do a lot better and offer a better quality bracelet that matches the design of the case. This is even more important with integrated bracelet watches because it's impossible to swap outside of DIY solutions. The clasp is nothing to write home about. Very basic 3 micro adjust, double pusher, pressed clasp branded with the Edifice logo. So how does it wear on my 6¼ inch wrist? Pretty good if I say so myself. It's comfortable and balanced, and the thin profile helps a lot. The slightly curved lugs allow the watch to hug the wrist nicely, but that's where the good things end. Unfortunately, the bracelet is this watch's only and major letdown.
I'm very disappointed in you.
I know.
Even though 170 USD is half what Tissot PRX is asking for, it's still a bit too much in my opinion and doesn't make this watch good value for the money. I paid around 100 USD here in Poland, and I'm sure it's possible to find good prices out there. I'll leave a few links in the description for some suggestions. So, who is this watch for? In my opinion, if you're looking for a decent integrated style bracelet watch with great accuracy, very good case finishing, and you're willing to look past the bracelet, definitely go for it, but don't spend more than 150 USD. I gotta give a shout out to Daniel M at Idiot with a Watch for inspiring me to review this watch. He's got an amazing Instagram page with professional looking pictures of cool watches. I'll leave a link in the description for his Instagram page. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to see a great Edifice watch, check out this video here. Thank you for watching.